Currently, Ebola is only in the 4 districts. We are not restricting movements. We are not closing schools. We are not closing places of worship. People are free to move on and about with their business. In addition, tourists are free to come and carry on with their business. Why do we say this? Because Ebola is spread through contact. And people only begin to spread Ebola when they begin to show signs and symptoms. If you're not showing signs and symptoms, you don't spread Ebola. So do not give wrong information and cause a scare among the population. We can work together to contain this epidemic. It is possible if we do it together in the right way. So I thank you.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.